Hi there, and welcome back to our series. You finally launched your website. That's awesome. But remember, a beautiful website is useless if no one sees it. So today, we're shifting our gears from building right onto marketing. We are going to cover effective strategies you can use right now to start driving traffic to your new website and filling those room calendars. Let's dive into promotion. Number one, zero cost, high impact promotion using social media and email marketing. So, the first thing is to harness the power of social media. Create a stunning, high quality video or image carousel featuring your best gallery photos. Now, post this announcement on every platform. We're talking about Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Make sure that the link in your bio and the post leads directly to your room listings page. Also, you can run a launch giveaway. So, launch a simple contest, for example. Ask followers to share your new website link and tag two friends for a chance to win a free night's stay. This creates instant buzz. Next, let's talk about email campaign. If you have a previous list, send an email announcing the new site and offer a special book direct only discount code. This immediately trains customers to skip the expensive third party booking sites and book through your Wix page. Paid promotion. When you're ready to invest, these are the most direct ways to drive qualified traffic. So use Google Ads. Pay Google a small amount to get a highly qualified lead. But even if you do pay, remember when that guest books, you save at least 15 to 20% of commission you would have paid an online travel agency. So that means your profit is still higher, even if you do invest a little bit on Google Ads. You can also use social media ads. So use your stunning gallery photos and videos in targeted ads. Target people who have shown interest in luxury travel or beaches, for example. Ads can drive people directly to your Wix Rooms listing page. So, by implementing these zero cost as well as paid strategies, you're helping your site become a thriving, revenue generating machine. Hope this video was helpful. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.